Paul, who made the announcement on Instagram about the said house, says it was only God who could have made it possible. And no, Peter does not have a share in this, it's for only Paul. See more photos after the cut. Big congrats to him and more to come.